What are today's fidgets and can I claim them? Okay. Mellow. Hello there. Take your time. I'm sorry, but alright. Let's try that again. I don't know why they added that random stuff, but they did, so let's try again. Maybe like 5 fluffy puppies is enough. I think so. Meat. Are they gonna trade? You didn't hardly than yesterday. I don't know. Let's try drawing them. I don't know why I would draw them the first try anyways, but daily prize today is 2,000 pops, so I actually might have a chance to draw them after all. A puzzle ball, which I don't think is the new one. No, it's not. Let's try again. Oh, I got a second year card. We're just gonna draw that into his view. Bro. Anyways, we can play the game to, get coins to see if we can draw them, because I don't seem like I'm getting the prize trade right now. I will try another time after this, but if I draw them, that would be nice, because it's be way easier than trading my limbs, because I usually, trade like newer limbs, like really new limbs, and some new uniques, just because I know people are most likely going to accept that. I actually got a fairy for like 10 of the newest ones, like, a newer fairy, but it's still a fairy, so I don't know if I'm going to claim it today. But there will be more videos for today. So just stay tuned for that, because I'm pretty sure I'll be filming more vids. That's embarrassing. I'll be filming more vids today, most likely. So I did get pop. So now it is time to draw. See if we get anything new. Nope. After this, I'm gonna try trading a couple more times, and we didn't get it. So let's try it again. If my dog's barking, I'm sorry. She's probably barking. She is barking right now, but I don't know if you can hear it or not. Hello there. Yes. I'm adding. I think I'm gonna add puppies. 10 fluffy puppies. Let's see if they can get through that. Bro. Okay. Seems like I'm not getting them. We'll just do some trading, okay, guys? Because, this doesn't seem like I'm getting it right now. Not really sure why I know what it... No way. That's it for today's video. Like, subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.